EduBag Kids Learning Channel.
Let's learn shapes, let's learn shapes. Say with me, say with me. Circle shape, circle shape. Ball and sun, ball and sun. Clock and wheel, clock and wheel. Circle shape, circle shape.
Square shape, square shape.
Box and tile,
Box and tile.
window frame, window frame.
Square shape, square shape.
Triangle, triangle.
Pizza slice, pizza slice.
Road sign shape, road sign shape.
Triangle, triangle.
Rectangle, rectangle. Door and screen.
Door and screen.
Book and bed.
Book and bed.
Rectangle, rectangle.
Heart shape, heart shape.
Candy and car.
Candy and car.
Love and hugs.
Love and hugs.
Heart shape.
Heart shape.
Star shape.
Star shape.
In the sky.
In the sky.
Shining bright.
Shining bright.
Star shape.
Star shape.
Oval shape.
Oval shape.
Egg and face.
Egg and face.
Soft and round.
Soft and round.
Oval shape. Oval shape.
Diamond shape. Diamond shape.
Kite up high.
Kite up high.
Shiny gem.
Shiny gem.
Diamond shape.
Diamond shape.
Let's learn shapes. Let's learn shapes.
Say again. Say again.